History Month. Fit on and Airmax Premium today. Let's see about these though. What you think? Gold quality, gold agates, laces. What's happening, YouTube? This is Full-Time Grind 79 back again. What's happening? What's happening? Happy Black History Month. If I didn't say that already, I believe I did. But anyway, I'm heading to Lenox Mall to hopefully pick up this Black History Month Air Force One. If I like it or not enough, I'll get it. And I already like the price. You know, can't beat 130. But hopefully the leather's plush and everything like that. The pictures look pretty good, but I haven't seen them in person, so you never know. But anyway, I gotta go all the way down here to Lenox Mall. Can't stand coming down here, man. It's a lot of traffic, both ways. 85 north, 85 south. Anybody been through Atlanta knows what I'm talking about. Traffic is hectic around lunchtime. Shit is hectic around any time. Anyway, I'm gonna go see about these things, and I'll get back with you all in a minute. All right, here we go at Lenox Mall. Y'all never been here. That's it right there. See around. Hope y'all can see all that. Kind of walking and talking. I'm gonna go ahead and see if they got the them sneakers, man, and take my ass back home because I'm tired. Just came from the dentist. Gotta get some work done. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get these teeth right. You know what I'm saying? That probably a little bit to the TMI right there, but whatever. But we got the Cheesecake Factory right there, Starbucks. Y'all can see all of that. It's like you only come to this mall right here when you want to spend a lot of money, man. You want to see some celebrities or whatever, man. This ain't that mall you just come in. This ain't no mall you just do no regular shopping, man. This it's one of them high-end malls, man. That's what this is. So I used to come down here when I was little, man. When I was young, just ride the train down here with no money. You know what I'm saying? Just to walk around. You know how teenagers do. But let me go in here in Nike Town and see what they got, and hopefully they got them, man. We can get these things and get up out of here. All right. All right, so they got them. They got their quality shirt, too. Check that out. Got the gold one.
Can I get a pair of the hot top Air Force Ones?
Need them KD10s. All right. I got those right there. Like that shirt, man. Was it? Oh shit, you messing shit up. Well, hold on, let me look at this. Okay, listen. These are the voices of our athletes taking the platform their sport has given them and using it to better the communities they represent. Athletes speaking up to inspire all of us to act, to inspire all of us to get involved, to inspire all of us to create change. Y'all can read this. What's up? Yeah. All right, what's going on? Hey, man, just waking back up. Y'all know who it is. Full-Time Grind 79 back again. Just waking up from my nap. I got to take another nap before I go to Florida tonight. But I got a special unboxing from Sweden, from sneakers and stuff. I'm going to do the unboxing today. And I'm actually going to do the review tomorrow in Florida because the scenery is going to be real nice down there. I'm going to do it outside. And I think that should be a nice look for the sneakers and stuff. But I'm going to let you see what it is today. And I'll do the detailed review tomorrow. But anyway, the pickup today, you know, from the thumbnail, you already know what it is. It's going to be these Air Force One. Where's the Black History Month. You got a size 10. You already know that's my size, and my size knees go true to size and knees. I tried on size 10.5 just to see, because it's been a long time since I bought an Air Force One. So I went up half a size to see how much room it was, but it was too much room. It was too much room. I could wear it, but I didn't want it to be too much room, because you don't want to have no heavy creasing in these. But to me, I think these are kind of like Jordan 1s. They look, to me, I think they're gonna look fine with creasing. That's just my opinion. But you got the plain white paper on the inside of the box. Where is the 100 cost me $130 plus tax. Came up to about $141.57. So that's not bad, man. To me, I think that's the best out of the pack, because I like these. To me, I got out of all the Black History Month this year, which all of them are really nice. You know what I'm saying? Better than last year's. And better than a lot of years, actually. I think Nike did. I think they knocked it out of the park with these, man. I really do. They're simple colorway. They got that Pan Am African colorway. Stop. Hey, check out Unbreakable Kicks video. Him and Measly G gave a description on, or explanation on, what the colors stand for. Check it out. They did a really good video on the Flyknit Jordan 1s, and he explained what this meant. I didn't prepare, so I heard what they said, but I don't recall it, because it's, you know, it's very, very detailed. But I was happy to know what it meant, and I think if you're gonna, you know, get a Black History Month sneaker, you should at least know what they mean. So anyway, and you don't have to be black, just like he said, you don't have to be black to celebrate Black History Month. You know, if you're so, you know, you can be any color. So any nationality you can be to celebrate Black History Month. So it ain't about color. So anyway, let's get back to the sneakers. We want to get all political. You know what I'm saying? This is not that kind of channel, but I just want to put it out there. Anyway, you got the gold Nike Air Force One on the tongue. You got that tough black leather like you get on Air Force Ones. You got that black, green, and red going up the upper of the sneaker. You also got it on the heel of the sneaker, that black, green, and red. This is got that Versace look, man. These are some fashionable sneakers. You got the black black and gold equality on there with the gold equality and the gold little lock. The only thing I don't like about them, I really wish that they would have made this metal instead of plastic, man. I hate that. I'm gonna change out the laces too, but you got the gold tips on the aglets. Got the gold BHM Black History Month on the back of the heel. On the inside, you also got white equality on the inside of the footbed. And I need to grab this other sneaker because I left it. I did have to unlace these because you are not going to be able to try these on without unlacing. So I unlaced them and relaced them. But that's how it looks with the strap all the way strapped up. I'm gonna give y'all the on feet with just like this, with showing one like this and one hanging. So you'll get a good look at what that looks like on feet. Alright, I ain't gonna make this video that long because I want to show you the other sneakers I got. So let's get to the unboxing right here. Let's cover that up. Cover my address up. Make sure, hold up. Cover all that up. Got sneakers and stuff right there. Y'all can see that. Came from Sweden. Hoping I ain't covering that up. Man, I love getting shoes from across the world, man. That's to show you how small the world actually is, because you know you can order something one day and be in another part of the world, man, across the water, and all of a sudden they at your front door and you just like, damn, you know what I'm saying? So to me, I like that. But anyway, I'm about to do like your boy Mike Rich. I'm not gonna use hopefully I ain't never opened those sneakers and stuff box, so but you know I'm pretty tough, man. So I'm gonna put them paws on this thing, man. I'm putting them paws on here. Let's see. Okay, I like that. You just little aggression, you know what I'm saying? A little aggression. Okay. We got the sneakers and stuff. It's my first time ordering from them. Thank you for shopping at sneakers and stuff. Got an orange Nike box on the inside. So this is what it looks like when you order from them. You got an orange little box. Well, that's what the Nike box looks like. But I like the box that they use because that's pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? I ain't have to use all my man strength. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't want to do that on camera. You know what I'm saying? I don't want nobody to see all that. But anyway, here goes size 10.5. These are the Nike Airmax 98 Quick Strikes. So y'all may know what that is. Y'all may not know what that is. Okay. Let's see what these look like. Oh. Okay. Okay, let me put this box down. All right. So that's it right there. That's the I'm not even gonna get into the review. I'm gonna do the review tomorrow, like I say, in Florida. But that's that sneaker. Check that out, man. This is my first 90 Air Max 98. I'm still looking to get them Gundams, them Turriellos, and maybe them triple whites, and a few of the other colorways. But I don't even want to get into it, man. I want to review this thing right now, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna hit y'all on feet. So stay tuned for that. All right. Here we are with the on feet section. Y'all know what it is. Man, man, what can I say, man? These things are nice. They're really comfortable. Like I said, I think they're highly fashionable. I think you can definitely pull these off. Like you can really dress up with these. Like I said, you can wear a button up, a polo, t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? You can wear the jeans. I got the jeans on with this. You might be able to wear some chinos with this. I think you could. I really do. But you see, I got see how clean them things look. Got that black, all black upper with the green and red stripe going all the way through it. So I got left. You can wear it like this one on the right foot. You see, I got that one like that. Or I can wear it like that on the left foot. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure which way I'll even wear it. I like it both ways. Or I can just take it completely off. But to me, I think that's taken away from. I don't think I'm gonna take it completely off on this one. Normally I would. Normally I'd take it completely off. But I think I'll let this one. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna wear it like either the right or the left. I don't even know yet. I haven't decided. Whenever I do wear them. I'm gonna do like Damn D, man. That dude, man. He said how he be doing his feet, man. How in the hell does he get his feet like that? And his feet be straight across like, hey, man, I don't know what kind of joints that brother got, man, but that dude is flexible, man. And hey, there's no digging at him. That's not a diss or anything like, so don't start no YouTube beef because it ain't like I said, I follow my man. I think he's very entertaining. I think he's very clever for the stuff he comes up with. And so I enjoy his videos. Anyway, that's the on feet. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm gonna drop that review for these Airmax 98 Quick Strikes that I got from Sweden, from Sneakers and Stuff, and that's gonna be in Florida. So tomorrow should be real colorful, man. It should be a really good video. Like I said, so we got the Air Force One Black History Month Equality Black History Month on feet. We got we're gonna say this Black History Month, man. So I may got maybe one more pickup for the Black History Month. I'm trying to get them fly nets. I think they actually did a restock on Ubic. So if you didn't get that tweet or that link to your phone from Instagram or whatever, check Ubic. I think there's a restock. Actually, check Hibbett Sports out a lot. Hibbett Sports. I think what Nike's doing this year is they are letting. They're spreading their shoes out across the board. So a lot of stores that don't normally get a lot of things, they're gonna, you may see stuff at Hibbett Sports or Athlete's Foot and stuff like that. So they're kind of playing like, what's it called, scavenger hunt. If you got a scavenger hunt for your sneakers. So anyway, I think it makes it a little bit more fun to get them. So when you get them, you appreciate them more. So anyway, Hibbett Sports has the they're getting some. You can actually check online, and they have them. They may not have them in store, but they do have them online. I saw. So anyway, got the let me go ahead and end this video off, and you got Full Time Grind 79 checking it out. Hey, please like, subscribe, comment. You can tell me what you like about the video, tell me what you dislike about the video, but please subscribe because I'm trying to build this channel. I say this in all my videos. I need your support. I really enjoy doing this, man. And hey, you know what I'm saying, we got to support each other, man. Nobody does anything by themselves. Everybody needs some help. So please support your boy, and I'm going to keep bringing y'all these heat in these videos. And man, hey, I'm out.